If you're watching this video, then you're like me, and you're curious how to become wealthy using visualization. Visualization has been an important aspect for me to be able to bring my ideas into reality. Another huge component to manifesting what you want to experience is trust. I first had to believe that what I was asking for, I would, without doubt, receive. Ask, believe, receive. When you stop underestimating the power of belief, incredible and miraculous things begin to happen. I made this short video to watch daily, and within the last 3 months, I received 4 checks. One for $980, another for $68, another for $53, and just today, one for $198. I had absolutely no idea where the checks would come from, but I believed they were on their way. Now, I am sharing this video with you because I believe it is important to share the knowledge that we obtain. Also, while watching this video, remember to trust fully. It is important while watching to feel the feeling of being wealthy now. And you do this by trusting that the way will be shown to you once you believe in the possibilities. Please enjoy, and remember, watch more frequently, watch every day, 3 or 4 times a day, as much as you can, and bring the feeling of wealth into the moment as you watch. And please comment down below how things change for you over the next couple weeks while watching the video.